me, sir.
Sorry.
Give me that.
Oh my god. Alright guys, somehow I ended up in Indiana. We're in Indianapolis.
I'm here too.
And what are we doing?
We're gonna check out some trade show related festivities.
That makes it sound so boring. Alright, so we're at PRI, Performance Racing Industries Auto Show.
Racing. Industries. And auto show. All the things we're interested in.
I'm so excited. So, you guys don't know what this is. Another auto show. It's kind of like SEMA. It's a little bit smaller. It's a little bit more nerdy. It's a little less advertisement based, more technology based, which I guess is just advertisement in the end of the day. So, it's freezing. We've been driving for 12 hours.
Luckily not straight. We did stop.
I'm exhausted, I'm hungry, but we just showed up a little bit later than we wanted to, but it's okay. It's what? It's like 11 o'clock?
11 o'clock.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, you got that right on the fucking head. We've been sleeping for like 3 days now.
Alright, so we're walking in, let's see what happens. I have no idea what to expect, honestly.
That's really bad for my hands.
So I have no idea what to expect. So we're gonna take it in, try to film some cool stuff. Obviously there's gonna be an insane amount of product and you guys aren't interested in all of it. So hopefully we'll try and get some cool highlights for you. I've come as a buyer. I mean, I'm not buying anything, but
You might buy something.
I might buy something. But
don't know yet.
luckily Kenny's dad got me a ticket here, which is sick because you can't just show up, which is kind of cool. So we'll see what's up.
It takes more than that to get some
All right, you do it. Just light push.
Look at that.
This show is pretty much based around drag racing, I would say, right? It totally looks like it.
Drag racing and a lot of dirt racing for some reason.
Yeah,
I wasn't expecting as much.
I mean,
dirt
there's probably a
racing.
whole other venue on the other side we haven't got to that
We're gonna find it.
We're gonna find it, but right now it's cool because I'm new to drag racing world. I've loved it so far, and this is a lot of it. Alright, we just saw this thing.
Oh yeah. I mean, the art it felt really, really good.
This thing must be a blast to drive.
A Honda V8.
I don't think I can think of anything better. Can you think of anything better?
Then a Honda V8?
No.
There's not a single thing on the planet better. Actually, there is. There's one thing, the Honda V10.
Dude, how much other? You probably can't buy
You
this.
can't buy them.
Okay.
Well,
yeah.
you could probably steal that one. Or I mean,
Yo.
we make an offer. I got like
I'm down.
I got like a
It can't be that heavy.
No, I mean it's a Honda. How much?
There's a very drag focus on this show, but there is a lot of crossover stuff that we do. Like, there's a lot of companies here that do support drifting, streetcar stuff like that. This one's pretty close to Morosa. They're actually local to us, which is pretty badass. I didn't even realize that till somewhat recently. But they definitely kill it for all the custom reservoirs, oiling, oil pans, anything. So on the FD, all the reservoirs are actually built on the engine. None are bolted to the chassis, but when I put the 1J in there, I'm gonna have to have reservoirs on the chassis, which means I have to get something custom made. We were actually talking a few months ago about getting some stuff made for the FD, which would be pretty badass because they do make some gorgeous products.
Try and sit in that. Come on.
Sorry.
Wait, can I? I will. I'm not the smallest guy, but I might be able to make this happen. Let's go. Okay.
That was deceiving.
That was it's actually not bad. I can't get out, but
That's alright. Socks fell off, man. I'm gonna get a blister.
Found out Tycon's giving away free titanium, so
we are going to get it all.
this is huge.
This is a large man.
They're giving away like sample packs of titanium pie cuts, and I'm pretty sure it's like $60 for this little thing. So we're gonna go steal a couple of them. Oh, and by the way, we got a VIP pass tonight for a.
We getting litty.
All right, so we can't even stop at the Tycon booth. So Tycon is the same company I got all my titanium from when we did my Z32 intercooler piping. Justin from Morfab, as you guys know, he is a huge backer on this product, and it's really cool. Tycon Stainless Pros, same thing. Stainless Pros is their stainless division. I believe that's how it goes. And of course, I got all my stainless from them too. They gave me and Kenny a sample pack, which is sick. I know Kenny's been dying to try and take up some titanium.
Oh yeah,
so
we're gonna have some fun with this.
So I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be pretty cool.
What are we gonna make?
What can we make out of 6 pieces of titanium?
I think I have another one. So we got 9. We can make a 9-inch penis.
A 9. We can make a 9-inch intake. How about that?
Okay. The 240. We'll make one for the 240.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is how this whole show goes.
I didn't even see this.
But huge shout out to Tycon. We talked to them about actually potentially helping us with another project, which sounds really cool. So maybe you'll see us working with them in the future. And I'm pretty excited about it. That's definitely a way to do it though.
9-inch penis.
Get out of here.
A couple of these. You know.
What is this? Is it a tractor trailer?
Yeah, it's an ISX block. So it's out of like a Peterbilt.
Seems
like a big box truck.
And for reference.
Well, the wrong socks today, guys.
We need to get you some freshies, Jimmy.
Kenny, what do we got?
This is a list. So we're looking for precision turbo because there's some sick bros.
Flip this bitch.
3,200. So
Press. This is a big ass show.
So they're literally right here. We are right here, right there.
See you then.
Found it. Ken, what's your full name?
Ken Quartuxio. No, I can't say that.
That's so badass.
Your dad's a badass, you know.
Yeah, he's way cooler than me.
Oh my god.
Trying to get ready.
Radium stuff is gorgeous. Let me see.
Alright, Ken. Alright, so I think that's going to conclude it for today. We had a short little half day. We got 2 more full days of this, so it should be plenty. But today we got a feeler of like what's around. We saw like maybe an eighth of the show. It's crazy how large it is. But Kenny and I talked to a few awesome companies. But me and Kenny actually talked to quite a few companies so far. It's been awesome connecting with these guys. It's cool because everyone here is a car builder, not just a car guy. So everyone is so intelligent and it's really refreshing. Almost everyone I talk to can have such an awesome conversation with. It's really cool. So we're
Is that a lowered truck?
It's an SRT10.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, it's a Viper engine, yeah.
Yes.
So we were talking to a few other companies. One I'm really pumped about is the Pro EFI guys. They seem really cool. I really like their ECUs. I've been trying to find a standalone ECU like personally that I like, and these ones seem pretty cool. So hopefully we can have some more conversations with them later this week. But I'm freezing and I can't talk. So let's see what else we got going on for the day and go from there.
All right, well, we're at our Airbnb.
Keelan, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lock you in.
Looks like a great neighborhood. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
We got a playground right across the street for when we get bored.
Only every other house on this road is boarded up. So
Yeah. Look at the sidewalk.
Okay.
We're doing okay.
Yeah.
I got your back.
cheap.
In redemption.
It's affordable.
All right. I just feel the need. So this is our Airbnb, and I just have to. I hope you guys can see it. This is probably. It's a little creepy. The most crooked house I've ever been in my life.
It's not that bad.
Dude, it is so bad.
The floor right
this
here-
corner is probably 6 inches lower than there.
It's also not like a 90 degree. Like it comes into this corner at like 70 degrees, I think.
Oh my god, I need to go buy it like a level so you guys could just
You don't want that.
see how bad. Look at like. Oh my god. No, the floor's gonna collapse.
It's
Chill.
okay. It's on the kitchen table. You can tell the floor dips here because I'm normally much taller than Jimmy, and right now I'm very small.
Hold on, stay right there. Let's see if you can see it.
Can you see my toes?
You can see the hump right there. Oh my god. These goat photos in every room is freaking me out.
This was definitely the
Well, it's not a
bathroom.
goat, but yeah.
It's a bull or a
Like,
buffalo or
dude,
something.
this corner, 4 inches higher than over there. I swear to God.
It's
If we had a ball, it would just roll hard into that.
Oh my
wall.
god, we should do that. Wait, from the elevation change. Try this.
Oh my god, look how crooked. This is level right here. My camera says it's level.
We weren't at the show as long as I thought we were going to be. Me and Kenny did a lot of talking, and so I didn't do a lot of filming, which is cool. So I mean, that's the goal for me to come here, learn some things, socialize with people, network, and all that stuff. So we're gonna end it. We're gonna end it now. We're gonna go out to dinner. We got invited to the VIP. Kenny, what magazine are we going to? So we're going to the Drag Illustrated VIP party, whatever, which is really cool. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna stop filming. So this will be a short video, just guys give you a taste that we're in Indianapolis. Sorry I didn't film too much today, but this will prepare you guys for tomorrow. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna try and go around and find the cool stuff I could see and just go from there. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.